For sale. An elegant country estate. Located in Bramshaw, Lyndhurst, England. It offers 11 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Fountain Court is a magnificent Grade II listed arts and crafts manor, offering over 12,000 square feet of accommodation with a 2-bedroom lodge, all set within 65 acres of private countryside. Built in 1916, this grand residence features formal reception rooms, a lakeview terrace, swimming pool, tennis court, and equestrian facilities. The home includes an elegant drawing room, dining room, sitting room, library, and an orangery with an open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area overlooking landscaped gardens. Upstairs, the principal suite features dual bedrooms, dressing rooms, and a luxurious bathroom, complemented by a further 7 en-suite bedrooms. Additional amenities include a staff apartment, wine cellar, extensive outbuildings, garaging, and stables. The asking price of this elegant country estate is £6,950,000. This property offers rare seclusion, grandeur, and lifestyle versatility in one of southern England's most desirable settings. Thank you for watching.